okay? This is real life. Match this chair. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Megan. If you guys are new here, I kind of just go by Megs. This is my cat. Her name's Kiwi. Oh, I need to make you a Halloween costume. Should I dress her up as a kiwi for Halloween? Oh, that would be so cute. Subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and enjoy the vlog. She's purring. So, welcome back to another random vlog. I have so much footage to edit, but it's all everywhere in my computer. My computer's... This trunk is open. It's a little weird. Oh, they're right there, that's why. Anyways, I'm vlogging today because, I don't know, I just feel like it'd be a fun thing to vlog. I'm doing some UGC fun content, and right now I'm gonna go pick up my prescription and get a little Starbucks drink. So let's see where the day takes us.
It's not a drink. Although if we're calling the double, like the double.
I don't know if I showed you guys the pillow, but this is what it looks like. And I basically have to make that into earrings. So this was my little tester. It's kind of difficult, I'm not gonna lie. Sorry for my screaming neighbors. But that was my tester. And then I did this one, but I don't really like it because the back's all messed up. But yeah, that's where I'm at right now. So I'm now gonna hopefully make the good pair. Okay, bedroom or bathroom done. Clean the tub, that's just drying before I put it in the hamper, all soaking wet. Just clean my pillowcase because Kiwi, after her surgery, she likes to sleep in my pillowcase, so I'm just like washing it every night. But yeah, I look atrocious because it's a cleaning day, but yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is. Okay, moving on. I just cleaned up this room a little bit. It's not amazing, but just cleaned it up a little. Hey, Miss Conehead. Yeah. Oh, my poor baby. I have to return these, but I need to start on this room. I got rid of my carpet because she keeps running into it. But yeah, so let's start cleaning this room. I also don't know if I showed you guys my nails. Here they are. Kiwi just stuck on the keyboard. What are you trying to tell me, Kiwi? No. Another thing is I wanted to be able to vlog on my phone, and I figured out how this works to my, like, to transfer footage from my phone to the computer, or vice versa. You can like take photos on your camera and then transport it onto your phone, but that's not what I'm gonna use it for. So I can actually vlog on my phone and edit it on my computer, finally. So that's fun. Look at how cute these plates are. I thrifted these at the thrift store, and they have like little tulips. I got like a whole set for 12 bucks. I love them. I'm just having like a protein blend. I'm hoping that this tea will help with my congestion. That's not very fun right now. And lately when I'm working from home, I really like to have a tea right in the morning, and then I drink coffee like when I start working. So yeah. This computer
computer literally, I'm gonna kill it. I just like to use it to watch YouTube videos now, but I can't even do that on it. Like, I love this laptop. It's a Microsoft Surface Book 2, and I bought it in 2018. Very expensive laptop. My mom bought it for me, and I'm so grateful for her. This thing got me through college, and it was just like the best purchase ever. But I'm losing her. So sad. Press any key in 4 seconds. What? Oh, well, I don't even know what this is doing. I don't know. Okay, so I'm starting to sculpt my first cat commission. And I hope they don't mind if I show their cat, but they're just the cutest little beans ever. So this is the first cat I'm sculpting. She has like a tortoise shell like fur, and she is beautiful. I'm so excited. So this is going to be definitely a challenge, and I think that I'm going to paint on this texture with a paintbrush. So I'm just going to do, I think, a black cat, and then kind of go from there. What are you doing? I got this new makeup bag at Winners, and it was only $6 for this cute little thing, and I'm obsessed with it. Okay, good morning vlog. Oh, Kiwi's fish toy's going off. This is so embarrassing and TMI, but like when I'm sick, I literally will take like toilet paper beside my bed, and I will just make a giant pile of dirty Kleenexes beside my bed when I'm sick. Like I have no cares in the world when I'm sick. So now I need to pick up all these dirty fucking Kleenexes because it's disgusting. Yeah, this is really gross. I don't know why I'm telling you this, but that's reality, okay? This is real life. This is real life. Okay, I actually changed my outfit again. So, oh yeah, look at my phone case. I have really cute little stickers on it from, this is the name of the person on Instagram. And now this is my outfit. Black jeans because on my period. Oh shoot, my mom's here. Okay, guys, gotta go. Sit. Rosie, sit. Can you sit? Wow, so fluffy and dirty. The haircut isn't even today. So now we're just going to get breakfast. Rosie finally left with my mom. Or my mom finally left with Rosie, I should say. Ignore my gross hair. I really need to wash it, but I want to do that rosemary treatment before I do it. Oh my gosh. Do you guys want to see what I got from the dollar store? Because Kiwi does. I got a whisk because I really needed one. I got these nails because sometimes the dollar store has some really good nails. And I'm like, wow, these are really cute. I got some cupcake stuff because I'm gonna make cupcakes. I got some makeup wipes. I got this for the rosemary water so I can spray it in my hair. Little icing thing. A scrubber for my foot, obviously. And I also got these for my nails. It's like wrap-ons, nail wraps. I was like, oh, those are kind of cool. And then I got this pumpkin. I thought it was gonna match this chair, but it totally doesn't. But that's fine, it looks cute on the table. And then I also bought, I wanted to go to Marshall's, but her haircut wasn't even today. We went all that way and her haircut's not even today. She went in, I was like, oh, okay, she's gonna get her haircut. My mom comes back out and was like, it's next Wednesday. So it wasn't even today. Anyways, we are going to start working now. I just got, get down, you bad girl. You guys want commissions of your cats or your bunnies or any animals, honestly. I have a form on my website and you can commission me. And yeah, so if you ever want your animals made into earrings or a bracelet. I also did this last night. I finally finished them. I made them into their necklaces. Here, let me show you one by one. So, ignore my ugly nail. I have to glue that back on. So there's this one. And you guys saw the pictures of the cat. Meow. There's this one, and it comes in a little pearl chain. These ones are on my website, and you just have to email me your photos. And then there's this cutie one, which is like a tortoise shell cat. Yeah, that's what it looks like. And they're all glazed with UV resin, so they're nice and sturdy. And it's another pearl chain. For some reason, my files are like not supported when I transfer them from my phone. So I'm testing this on my phone right now, not on my camera. And I tried changing the format, so we're gonna try this and see. It also is coming out in like a really weird color. Like, I don't know, it's like really like muted almost. Like at the store, like this was way more saturated. Like this, it's really weird. So we're gonna try this. Also, sorry about my nail. We're gonna try this and see, and just see. I think it might be stuck.